Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's GMT update for Tuesday 19th of April, and it's been a long kind of crazy ride to the upside. Now GMT just did, I don't know if people are just so confused. You had this descending triangle right over here that I always said that I wasn't like, normally when you see a descending triangle, after you have a very long, green candles and you make a descending triangle, what they do is they break to the downside. I can actually show you SHIB. Why don't I just do that? Okay, so this was SHIB, and you can already see, if I just show you SHIB back in the days, it had big green candles just like GMT did. But what did you do? You make a descending triangle like this and you broke to the downside. It went for the retest, fail, and ever since you continue to go to the downside. So that's just how it is, but sometimes it doesn't mean that you cannot break to the upside. Rarely do you see a coin actually break to the upside. Okay, now the question is, are you going to continue that big green huge gigantic candles that you make with GMT like you did right over here, and you do something like this again? It can be possible. Okay, at this point it can be possible. There's a lot of trading volume, there's a lot of buyers stepping in, but one thing is very clear: it has been a little bit too much overextended for me to say that, but anything can happen. Okay, when a coin gets bullish, it gets bullish, it just goes, it just flies away. You don't know. So what did you do yesterday? There was this trend line. Just look at that trend line. You never really lost it. What you did actually is you made a red candle trying to fool people that it's going down back to the triangle, but it was a quick wick, and all of a sudden it started to pump to the upside, right? So now what I do see for this one, I'm gonna bring in the EMAs. So let me talk about the EMA. I do think there's a small chance for a back test of an EMA, and that's going to be this 10 EMA and this break of the all-time high. So it broke out of the all-time high. This could be a nice entry opportunity once again at the 2.6 probably, or the 2.68588. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to bring in the line graph. Yeah, so you can already see this was your all-time high right over here, right? This was your all-time high. As a matter of fact, let me remove all the drawings just like that, and I just want to do a simple all-time high retest. So you broke out of the all-time high, nice big volume, amazing. The breakout part is good, the volume is there. Okay, yeah, the volume is quite decent. Do you see that it went up like this? Seems like smart money. No any dumb pumps like that. It's not a fake pump. This was a real pump, by the way. It shows a lot of buyers did step in actually during that time. So volume is okay. That's a good sign. The big green candle, what does this indicate? Huge buying pressure. That's also something good. Breakout of a all-time high, which indicates the willingness of going to the upside. So the 10 EMA is what is actually crawling to the upside. I just want to see a retest of the all-time high. I would like to see it actually bounce off this area. I would like to take an entry from 2.6. From this point onwards, it comes down a little bit, comes down to backtest the 10 EMA, backtest the all-time high, because it's simple. It was resistance here, it broke out of it, it has to backtest S and act as a support, hold the support, and don't fall inside below this area. And that's what we want to see for continuation to the upside. So I would like to even check out the next impulsive move that GMT can possibly do. So you take this top here to the bottom, and yeah, we almost went to the 1.272. We've already crossed the 0.618 right over here. So yeah, you can already see it's the golden ratio. So it could come down a little bit to retest the golden ratio as well. So that's amazing. Okay, that's 2.6 region, 2.6, 2.7. Hold this level, hold this level. $4 is what I'm looking for into the next impulsive move to the upside. Okay, so that would be a nice good measurement from there to there. That could be a 52% if this happens. Okay, 52 pump percent to the upside. So yeah, that's it for today's update. I hope this one holds the level right over here. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. You have to keep an eye on it as well, right? So yeah, thank you for watching the update. Do check out my trading course as well to learn more about all these trading charts and fib retracements and impulsive moves and whatnot. 18 hours of contents to pay with 29 bucks for crypto. You can use crypto as payment. Join the Discord. All of the link is in the description of the video. to join the Discord as well, and you can message me there. I'm gonna tell you how to play with 29 bucks, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.